So I know I'm in this world-famous ski resort called Chamonix, but no, we are not here to ski. I am here to show you the most breathtaking European mountain from different perspectives. If you want to know how, stay tuned until the end of the video. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, embark!
Bonjour, fellow adventurers. Today we are in the charming town of Chamonix, nestled at the base of Europe's highest peak, Mont Blanc. Did you know that the Mont Blanc stands at 4,808 meters, making it the tallest mountain in Western Europe? It's often called the roof of Europe.
Over the next 3 days, we'll be exploring this iconic mountain through 2 unique perspectives. Let's embark on this white gold journey together.
Next, we explore the Mont Blanc, massive via the Brevent cable car for €34 per person. This ride offers a unique vantage point, providing a 360-degree panoramic view of the surrounding peaks.
Interestingly, the Brevent area is known for its wildlife. Keep an eye for the chamois and ibex during our trip.
The perspective from Brevent is unparalleled. Facing Mont Blanc, we gain a newfound appreciation for its grandeur. The contrasting landscapes from lush valleys to snow-capped peaks are a testament to nature artistry.
Did you know that the Brevent summit stands at 2,525 meters and it's a popular spot for paragliders because they get an amazing view of the Chamonix Valley? I was actually scared because we were going through the clouds and I thought we were going to see nothing, but we managed to get above the clouds and look at that. That's the Mont Blanc. And tomorrow we're going to Aiguille du Midi.
Our first adventure takes us on the Aiguille du Midi cable car, a marvel engineering that transports us from Chamonix at 1,035 meters to a distant 3,042 meters in just 20 minutes. This round-trip journey cost €69 per person, but the breathtaking vistas are truly priceless.
Fun fact, when it was completed in 1955, it held the title of the world's highest cable car for 2 decades. Wow, this is the Mont Blanc! Stunning!
As we ascend, the town below shrinks and the vast expanse of the Alps unfolds. The air becomes crisper and the sheer scale of the mountains is humbling. Reaching the summit is as if we are on top of the world. The panoramic views are simply awe-inspiring. And here's something intriguing. At the summit, there is a glass skywalk called a Step into the Void, where you can stand in a glass box with a 1,035-meter drop beneath your feet. Talk about a thrilling experience.
Wow!
I have a surprise for you, a place close to the Mont Blanc, a place that has changed over the last century due to global warming.
Let's talk about Montagne Vert, la Mer de Glace. What's that?
I wanna roam across the globe, make new connections on the road. Let's visit 12 countries on this planet, yeah. It won't be easy, but I know that I can succeed if I hold hope.
This is the best train ride that I ever had.
Language, yeah.
Let's see what's left of La Mer de Glace.
And Korea, Indonesia, Kenya, and Jordan. I just can't wait to understand. Join me on this language escapade. I'll study all the words on each page. Oh, it's a new adventure every day. 12 languages, 12 months. Please teach me what
Did you know there's an ice cave here in Chamonix? Let's go.
your ways. Get ready for a cultural embrace. 12 languages, 12 months. I'm gonna make friends across the world. I'm gonna teach you new ways to learn. If we make it fun, then we can manage. Yeah. Italy, Germany and France, Brazil, Colombia, the United States. I just can't wait to understand. Join me on this language escapade. I'll study all the words on each page. Oh, it's a new adventure every day. 12 languages, 12 months. Please teach me what to do and what to say. Yeah, I can learn your words and your ways. Get ready for a
Get the package with Aiguille du Midi for €90.
just 12 months. Are you ready for a wild ride through a linguistic wonderland? Yeah, I know that
Exploring Mont Blanc through these unique perspectives has been an unforgettable adventure. Each journey offers its own charm and showcases the mountain's majestic beauty. Did you know that Mont Blanc's first recorded ascent was in 1786 by Jacques Balmat and Dr. Mitchell Packard, making the birth of modern mountaineering?
words on each page.
Who knows, perhaps we'll set our sights on Everest. Until then, au revoir, keep exploring.
Please teach me what to do and what to say. Yeah, I can learn your words and your ways. Get ready for
This is a big French challenge. Learn French cuisine in 7 days. Cook a French course to succeed. How we do it? Well, up and down. I'll let you know.